Hello everyone in the CRX community out there, all my subscribers, thanks. I wanted to share this moment with you. Super happy, super proud, super excited. If you hear any noise in the background, it's just my chicken, don't mind them. Excuse the mess around these cars, but super happy, super proud day to be a dad and a mechanic. I found these two CRXs through a friend. I got them for dirt cheap. I mean, ridiculously cheap. They are a little beat up on the outside, no major damage, no rust holes or anything like that. I'm missing a few parts here and there, like seats, like normal, how you're always going to find these cars. But my oldest daughter has decided that she'd like to learn how to drive a 5-speed, and she likes how the CRX looks. I have one more CRX that's done already, and she likes the way it looks. And so yeah, we're going to go ahead and build her a CRX, and I'm going to keep one for the track, keep one for her to drive, and have one for me to daily drive. So there'll be 3 of them, and might end up selling one or maybe raffling one or giving one away. Who knows? We're going to not going to worry about cost on these builds because it is for my daughter. So, you know, we're just going to put everything we can, everything she wants in it. No limit on what we're going to do to it. It's just really exciting as a dad and a mechanic. Like I said, when your kid wants to build something with you, and especially a daughter being a female, you know, it's a very proud moment, exciting moment in my life. These do have the SI setups, at least on one of them. So I had a sway bar put in, rear disc swap already, so this one's going to be real easy to get ready for the road. The one up front, I believe, is a DX, and like I said, they're not in too bad condition. No interiors, but the carpets are all good and everything. We're going to go ahead and get these things washed off, get them opened up. I'm going to start making content for some premium viewers, maybe what goodies I found in this car. I'll make a side video for that because these cars were loaded and the actual price I paid for them. So if you guys are interested in that, drop a comment. Like I said, I always appreciate all the comments. I do this for the community. I keep these cars on the road. These are great little cars. I've had mine for over 10 years. And these are just 2 more to add to the collection. Like I said, I will drop extra content. Subscribe, follow along, turn on notification bell. This will be a series, a daddy-daughter CRX build series. So if there's any dads out there with kids, you know, this would be fun for you guys to watch and get some motivation. So yeah, stay tuned. Look for more content. Please subscribe. Keeps me motivated. Talk to you guys soon.